What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Stay devoted coming back at you with another video. Today we're doing some paper trading, some options, some SPY options. Remember, this is not financial advice. Always seek a financial advisor if you need financial advice. Everything's marked out already, and I didn't even mark it out today. It just got marked out on its from the last time we traded. Market's about to open. It's currently 9:27 Eastern. Today is Monday, 7/6/2026. So the weekend or the Monday after 4th of July. Okay, market's about to open, and if you don't know the series, I'm trying to turn 1K into 100K on paper trading through options. I have a whole playlist on it. We got up to like 1700 at one point, but then I just tilt traded and it came all the way down, so I reset my account. Here we go. Got the bounce off that resistance. We're getting a call. There we're in. Plus $20 so far. Dang, down 115. Not too good of a start. Oh, we're in. And the market is tanking. It'll probably come back up. It might not. Yeah, I gotta get out. Dude, down 200 today. I feel like I go down, then I come back up. I go down, then I come back up. Yeah, I'm getting in a call. Oh my gosh. I can't get a win today, bro. Here we go. The double top. I should probably get out. Nice, huge. Yeah. I got out. Should have got out sooner. Down 153. I'm getting in a put. No. Maybe it comes back down. Maybe. Just keeps bouncing off this line. It's support. It's a lot of volatility. Oh my gosh. I'm getting out. Wait. No, I didn't get out fast enough. That's not a good sign. I gotta get out after that. Maybe. A lot of volatility. I don't get why it keeps gapping up. It's kind of annoying. No, I gotta get out. It's so annoying, dude. We're gonna get in a call. We're gonna get in 7 of these. Oh, we're in. I'm probably down like 300 right now. I'm hoping this VBOB bounces. I gotta get out, dude. I'm down so bad right now. I really just gotta like hold it and hope it comes back up. I gotta get out. Maybe? Oh, that's a good sign. See, now it's gapping down when it starts up, which is a little annoying because it was gapping up earlier. Nice. I'm at zero again. Waiting for it to pick a direction and I hope it's up. The question is, do we think it's gonna break through this or not? I don't know. I'm close. Back up to 1005, down 50. Getting in a put in 7 of these. I don't get why when it goes the other way direction from me, it like exponentially goes up, but when it's going in my direction, it slowly goes up. Like minus 105, what? I knew I should have gotten that. Dude, that's so stupid, bro. I just want to win and get out for the day. I was just flying. Down 253 now. Like, that doesn't make sense. It'll like, the money will go up way or down faster than the money will go up. Like, it could go this much with go in the opposite direction and I wouldn't make as much. It's kind of BS. How far do we have to get to? I'm gonna wait for the retest and then I'm gonna get in. Maybe I should have just got in. Yeah, I'm getting in. This is probably gonna be my last trade, no matter what. I'm just tired of trading right now. Do we think it's going up or down? I think it's going down, but could be wrong. Alright, I'm getting out and that's gonna be a wrap. Um, wasn't very eventful. I lost a lot of money. 337. But we'll come back tomorrow even stronger. I hope you guys enjoyed and peace out. I'm stay devoted. Hey guys, after editing the video, I went back and I looked at the footage and honestly, I was just impatient today. I needed to be more patient with my setups, be more careful. I also needed to get out sooner. You know what I mean? Like exit exit the trade quicker when I see it's running and things like that. And then I also need to make less trades, I think. Maybe 2 trades a day will be my limit from now on. It'll be for shorter videos, but I think that's what's best for me right now, just for paper trading, just to get in a good habit of things. Down 337 on the day, which sucks, but we'll come back tomorrow. But if you do enjoy this series, definitely leave a like and subscribe. I also have a Go mining series where I'm trying passive income with the virtual crypto miners. I have an airdrops video that kind of went up the other day. Definitely check out the channel if you're interested in these types of videos. It helps me out a ton. But peace out.